Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M channel. So today we are here with me and Jabs. We didn't have any live guys on this channel today because Usisi was out and about. But we are here to do reactions on what was happening, especially before lunchtime today, which is the 4th of June. So here is what we have picked up regarding the OB entries and what Mokgane done back in 2020 and what is currently happening in the courtroom. Jabs?
Yes, Noni, thank you. I just couldn't keep quiet because I've always been saying that, OB entries are cooked. So now when we look at OB entries, we need to compare them with the AVL records as well. So
Yes.
what I'm going to play just 20 minutes before lunch, Noni, on the chart. If you give me permission, can you see my screen?
Yes, I do.
Let me increase the volume. Let me just play. It's Mnisi going through the OB entries, and then I'll show you certain things on the AVL.
All right.
On the 5th, there's an entry. On the 5th, there's an entry there. Entry number.
My apologies, my lord.
Sorry.
The witness is making mention of something pertaining to the date.
Yeah, the date. I've got the date of the 22 here, not the 5th. I see Advocate Mnisi is referring to the 5th.
Yeah, 5th of June.
Is it here? The answer. Just take it to the advocate.
Noni?
Yebo.
Yeah. What?
And there's no advert playing though. I don't understand
Yes.
what was just that.
Yes. That's why just saying. I just want to.
Did you turn out your volume?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
On the 5th of June, 2020, which is
Can you hear now, Noni?
Yes.
Okay.
written Friday here, there's an entry there, entry number 326 over 345. It's right at the bottom. That's the last entry.
Ngelanga lange-5 zakaJuni kune-entry ekhona-ke lapho-ke 326 futhi no-345 izona esenzansi egcineni-ke lapho-ke.
I see that, my lord.
Thank you.
Yebo ngiyayibona-ke leyo.
Now, the time there, it's 1 minute past 8 o'clock in the morning, not so?
That is correct, my lord.
But isikhathi esikhona-ke lapho umzuzu nje owodwa-ke ngemuva kwehora laka-8 ekuseni athi yebo iqiniso.
Now, it reads, investigation out. Sergeant Mokgane with 1 male for dealing in drugs. And then it continues to the next page.
Bathi ababhala khona ukuthi uSergeant Mokgane futhi umunye ke oyedwa-ke bahambile. Pardon.
The next page, it's still the 5th of June 2020, and it's
Now-
still entry number 326.
My apologies. La khona ababhala ukuthi khona uSergeant Mokgane futhi noyedwa-ke lapho bathi udayisa ke idakamizwa mhlawumbe ukuthola ngedakamizwa
Thank you.
bese ku-entry esibili elandelayo-ke.
Now the following page says 326.
Yes, my
Lapho
lord.
kule entry ka-326
Moses Temba Sibia, SAP 1401 stroke 06 stroke 2020. SAP 14 A5.
Noni,
Yes.
it's clear what you're hearing.
Yes.
Said I'm bringing you receipt.
Okay.
It's an OP entry
Mhm.
that was being booked out by Mukhan.
Mhm. Yes.
Now, on the 5th, what was the time?
08 something. Exen.
All right. Now, it's a page for AVL for Fortuna Yamukhale.
Okay.
You see my,
Yes.
let me just scroll down. You see?
Okay. There he is.
Yes. Let's look. On the 5th, you see, last time, there is no way that Mukhane's car is around Valeria police station
Mm.
at 8 a.m.
In fact, in Jabulo, it shows that around it was on 7, ne? That was the last
Yes.
time it was drove, or what, the engine went off at 7.
Yes, it also starts up at 12.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. There is a huge difference. So there was no up and down.
Yes. So now when we say Highlands, if let's say we have to check this coordinate,
Mhm.
do you have them here? Let me just see and say
Hold
maps
on.
and see.
Let me write them down. The ones from 7, ne?
Mhm.
It's 20 minus 26. Is it 1359?
Yeah, minus 26, money.
1359, that minus. And then it's the other side is 28 what? 28 0898.
Yes, 280898.
Yes.
It's yes, 280898 minus 13, 26, 2059. Let me
Yes.
just say it's minus 26, 1359.
Yes.
And then the other side, the other number is 28.
0898.
0898. So if then we do this, we copy this. All right. So Noni,
On the
stop
screen, you
sharing
still
now.
have. Oh, okay.
Yes, the coordinates.
Mm.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the location where this car, more or less around this coordinate, where this car was.
Okay.
There. So Waverly Highlands, it was around post office. Northview, where is Northview? Athlone, that is somewhere in Johannesburg. Ne?
Mm-hmm.
You see the screen? Yes, this is where the location is. Let's just say 2D and see. Yes, it's Alexander. My goodness. Northview Fire Station. Is there a police station around here? No. Venco Court, Balfour Mall. Mokhana was at the mall. Balfour Mall Gym. Not you. Athlone Street. Athlone Street is somewhere in Joburg. Ne? Yes, Johannesburg Road. Yes. Let's just see where else. Where's the familiar road there that you Konjonanon, you don't know this place.
No, I don't know Johannesburg.
Okay, there's Melrose, so we're going inside. Yes, there's Melrose here. There's the Mike one. So we're coming more on the inland. So there's a Balfour Mall. So at the time,
From 7 a.m. until 12.
yes, the car is at the mall, Balfour Mall. So now, how is it possible when we go back to share the screen now? How is it possible that Mohane is signing off the OB entries at 8 a.m. and then returning the person at 10:05 in Valeri. And then also that not even 12:05 is signing in the person in Albertine police station. At 8:18 something, we are told that at 1800 is returned back in Valeri. Let's see in the afternoon. You see, 1800, there's no way that this car appears still to be at the same place. Ignition, still the coordinates are more or less the same at the mall. So the car was driving around Melrose Place in Johannesburg a whole day. There was no pointing out. Even Mohane was not there on the pointing out.
Okay. Okay.
You see. Now, Noni, what we're trying to say here is that when Mnisi is asking these questions, I'm gonna just push it a bit and then play it one more time so that people are in context on what we're trying to explain. This is just a clip on the last few minutes.
No, it's Sergeant Mohane. That is the member that I asked to move accused number 1 from Valeri SAPS to Alberton SAPS. So it's Sergeant Mohane. That's a male. Sergeant Mohula is a female.
Athi cha kusenjalo lapho kuSergeant Mohane futhi yena kwamcela ahambise kumso oqala amsuse ngaphansi.
You see, Nani, I feel vindicated because people have accused me when I was holding the state to account that the OB entries are cooked.
My goodness.
So let's see what's going to happen after lunch, man. Like we said this is just the quick one, the reaction saying, let's see what's going to happen after lunch.
This is becoming too much. This is becoming too much.
The 5th of June, 2020, the OPs and the AVL Adikopani.
And this AVL is the one that the state gave to the defense.
Yes. That's why you'll never see any AVL that will be brought by the state. Because they did not foresee this thing that was going to happen. So I'm suggesting that for the sake of our South Africa and for the sake of the Miwa family, please, the state must just close its case now and don't oppose Section 174. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'll see you later on our next other series.
All right.
Sure.
Yeah, people are waiting for this receipt. No?
Yes, yes, sure.